Hey there, great to see you back on the channel. This Wizz Air Airbus A321neo crew performs a dangerous approach way below glide path. Watch this bold Pheasant chase after an Extreme Air XA-42 aerobatic plane. This Airlink Embraer E190 performs a stunning low pass over a crowded rugby stadium.
Up. Spool van je af. Pull up. Pull up. Okay. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.
Maar draai.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Too low. Terrain.
Enjoy this stunning takeoff of the supersonic Tupolev Tu-160 using full afterburner. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe for more Daily Bites of Aviation.